तो ये कैट का प्रैक्टिस पैसेज है अपने पास। जो अपन 4 क्वेश्चन पढ़े होंगे आप इसमें, तो जो सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन है उसमें क्या है? द रिचर यू आर द मोर यू स्पेंड टू बी ऑफ स्क्रीन सपोर्टेड बाय विच अदर लाइन इन द पैसेज? तो स्क्रीन्स आर फिलिंग अ क्रूशियल वॉइड, ये बोल रही है। हाउ कंफर्टेबल समवन इज ह्यूमन एंगेजमेंट कुड बिकम अ न्यू क्लास मार्कर. Gmail is the same Gmail and it's all free. Studies show that time on these advertisement support platform is unhealthy. तो अगर अपन ये देखें कि there is a curious new reality. Human contact is becoming a luxury good. As more screens, human contact is becoming a luxury good. As more screens appear in the lives of the poor, screens are disappearing from the lives of the rich. The richer you are, the more you spend to be off screen. The joy, at least at first, of the internet revolution was its democratic nature. Facebook is the same Facebook whether you are rich or poor. Gmail is the same Gmail and it's all free. There is something mass market and unappealing about that. And as studies showed that the time on these advertisement support platform is unhealthy, it all starts to seem declass, like drinking soda or smoking cigarette, which wealthy people do less than poor people. फर्स्ट को अगर अपन को अटेम्प्ट करना होगा, सेकंड को, सेकंड को मैं अटेम्प्ट करूँगा, मैं सेकंड में फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करूँगा। बाकी और देखते हैं। The wealthy can afford to opt out of having their data and their attention sold as a product. Out of having their data and their attention sold as a product, okay. The poor and middle class don't have the same kind of resources to make that happen, okay. Exposure starts young, and child who spend more than 2 hours a day looking at the screen got lower scores on thinking and language tests according to early tests results of a landmark study on brain development of more than 11,000 children at the National Geographic supporting. Most disturbingly, the study is finding that the brains of children who spend a lot of time on screen are different. For some kids, there is premature thinning of the cerebral cortex in adult. One should One study found an association between screen time and depression. Tech companies worked hard to get public schools to buy into programs that required schools to have one laptop per student, arguing that it would be better prepare children for their screen-based future. But this idea is not how the people who actually build the screen-based future raise their own children. In Silicon Valley, time on screen is increasingly seen as unhealthy. Here, the popular elementary school is the local Waldorf school, which promises a back to nature, nearly screen-free education. So, as rich students are growing up with less screen time, poor kids are growing up with more. How comfortable someone is with human engagement could make a new class marker. Human contact is, of course, not like organic food, but with screen time, there has been a concerned effort on the part of Silicon Valley behemoths to confuse the public. The poor and middle are told that screens are good and important for them and their children. There is a fleet of psychologists and neurologists on staff at BTech working to hook eyes and minds to the screen as fast as possible and for long as possible. As and so, human contact is rare. There's a small movement to pass a right to disconnect bill, which would allow workers to turn their phones off. But now, a worker can be punished for going offline and not being available. There's also the reality that in a culture of increasing isolation in which so many of the traditional gathering places and social structures have disappeared, screens are filling a crucial void. ओके, तो जो सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन है उसमें स्क्रीन सफरिंग का क्रूशियल वर्ड तो मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होना चाहिए, और ये नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं इसको चेंज करके थर्ड करूँगा, इसको मार्क थर्ड वाला मार्क करूँगा, फर्स्ट नहीं, थर्ड ज़्यादा बेटर है। अब अगर देखूँ मैं, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द नेगेटिव इंडोर्स, डिप्रेशन तो बोला है, इट इंक्रीजेज ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट, ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट इंक्रीज कैसे करेगा? इट इंक्रीजेज ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट, ये वाली बात कहाँ दी है? इट इंक्रीजेज ह्यूमन कॉन्टैक्ट, इट इंक्रीजेज, to confuse about the poor mental titles, the scenes are going important for them, the athletes are going to focus on minds, and so human contact is rare। वही तो, और क्या है? It is shown to adverse young children, it is designed to be addictive। Screens are filling a crucial void। और मैं फर्स्ट वाले को तो मैं अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करूँगा, समझ में नहीं आ रहा। तो फर्स्ट को मैं गैस करूँगा कि वो सेकंड होगा, नहीं गैस है। The author is least likely to agree with the view that the increase in screen time is fueled by the fact that ये थर्ड वाला, थ्री का थ्री। The author claims the Silicon Technology tried to confuse the public by education for their own children। हाँ, tech companies work hard to get public school to buy into programs that require one laptop working that would be better prepared for school, but this idea is not the how the people who actually vary by time on screens using screen as healthy. Yeah, the popularity of school is lower over with government work, but ये ये फर्स्ट वाला होगा, फोर का वन। तो मैं आपको आंसर्स बताता हूँ। आंसर देखिए, अपने चारों आंसर सही हैं। अगर अपन गैस नहीं करते तो अपने 16 नंबर आ जाते, सॉरी 12 नंबर आ जाते, लेकिन क्योंकि अपन ने गैस किया तो इसके नंबर ऐड नहीं होंगे, तो 3 3 से 9 आउट ऑफ 12 नंबर आए। और अपना सारा पैसेज का एनालिसिस सही है। मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैंने गैस क्यों नहीं किया, क्योंकि मेरे गैस कई बार गलत भी हो जाते हैं। तो ये पैसेज का स्कोर है, मतलब अपन को पूरा पैसेज बन गया, लेकिन क्योंकि अपन ने एक क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया था तो अपने 9 नंबर आए। तो 9 नंबर और 10 मिनट में पैसेज हो गया, ये बहुत है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।